Manufacturing Week is the opportunity for us to highlight the work that we're doing in this parish with our partners to bring awareness to all of our students about advanced manufacturing opportunities in this parish. Select students had the opportunity to engage with our industry partners. These select students toured our local facilities so that they can learn more about the career opportunities available to them.
Well, today we toured the facility, show our manufacturing processes, fabrication processes. We've been recruiting from the VOTEC schools for many years now, and we enjoy partnering and seeing some of the young people grow.
Wind energy and certainly design and manufacturing, it's all about the talent that you can have on the team. So we care about engaging with Jefferson Parish schools and Delgado College. They're the workforce of the tomorrow for us. So we talked about the work we're doing on technology development, we talked about the manufacturing potential we've got, and we talked about why this place is so special on the Mississippi River.
In Jefferson Parish, we strive to make sure that all of our students are ready for career and college. This was an important opportunity to make sure that our students are aware and exposed to opportunities that yield high-wage, high-need careers.
It's a big decision for young people to decide which path they want to take. So this helps them figure out what they really want to do.
In an advanced technology industry, it takes actually a lot of different disciplines to make it successful. So you've got to have the marketing, the team building, the management, the technology. It's not just a very pigeonholed or siloed industry. Actually, a lot of skills can be applied.
I also think it's good for us to partner as local businesses with the VOTEC schools so that we can help them tailor their education to better suit our needs.
That pipeline of talent, the teenagers of today are going to be installing turbines in the Gulf of Mexico. So what they're learning now is going to be directly applicable for when they're, in their high-performing work years in the future. So the quality of the workforce, it's what it's all about.